Hello everyone, how are you? Today we are joined by Ms. Shilpa Raina. She is the content marketing manager at SEO Discovery, and we will ask her why should clients hire SEO Discovery as their digital partners. She can enlighten us on this topic. So let's begin.
Well, being an insider, I'll not brag about us, but I'll try mentioning a few key points that make us different from the crowd. Being a part of SEO Discovery for the past 5 years and knowing the ins and outs of how the company works and how we prioritize our clients, I can assure you that we have solutions to all your digital problems.
Okay ma'am, I see. So can you give any specific reason or a couple of reasons on why should any company hire you as their digital partners?
Well, there are a number of reasons why companies should hire us as their digital partners. Number one, niche-based SEO teams. Back in 2019, we came up with this idea of creating specialized teams for different niches such as real estate, healthcare, telecom, finance, and IT, and many others. Our specialized team members have experience of working on more than 50 websites from the same niche. Number two, dedicated project managers. You will be assigned a dedicated project manager to assist and offer their best suggestions for your business website. They'll also assist you with the tools they are using and with weekly progress reports. After that, we have another main reason, that is crystal clear reporting. We offer crystal clear reporting to all our clients, and we believe in being transparent about our work module and strategies. Well, the most important point is that we believe in providing value for every single penny. The line itself justifies that our main aim is to deliver the desired outcome to our clients and satisfy them with the best of what we can.
Oh, I see. No wonder why SEO Discovery has turned out to be the best digital marketing agency in all of India. So thank you ma'am for your time, and thank you guys for joining us today. And if you want to watch more informative videos like this, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. And thank you and have a nice day.